Welcome to Explorio. Today we're going to be discussing the International Space Station, ISS. The ISS is a remarkable feat of engineering and science, and it's a symbol of global cooperation and exploration. It's a research laboratory located in low Earth orbit and has been operational since 1998. The ISS is a joint project between the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, and the European Space Agency. It's the largest structure ever built in space and is made up of several modules, or compartments, that have been sent up to space and assembled in orbit. These modules serve as living and working quarters for astronauts, and they're connected together to form one large structure. The ISS is used for a multitude of purposes, including scientific research, technology development, and educational outreach. Scientific research is conducted on the ISS to better understand space and the effects of microgravity on the human body. Astronauts aboard the station conduct experiments in a variety of disciplines, from biology and physics to engineering and medicine. The ISS is also used for technology development. Astronauts aboard the station conduct experiments to test new technologies and systems that can be applied to space exploration. Finally, the ISS is used for educational outreach. Astronauts aboard the station conduct live video chats with students around the world, and they also post photos and videos of their day-to-day activities on the station. In conclusion, the International Space Station is an incredible feat of engineering and science, and a symbol of international cooperation and exploration. It's a research laboratory located in low Earth orbit and has been operational since 1998. It's used for a variety of purposes, including scientific research, technology development, and educational outreach. Thanks for watching Explorio.